Right now, let us 6 miles outside. Julian. 14 feet short.
Happy Mother's Day to everybody.
Bye, ciao. Baby chop.
This race is very, very fast. Everybody is in. So we're going to the finishing line. All right? Okay. Yeah, Dylan Levy from G4, so these are the category. Alright? So these guys are still can't get that most, they're still communicating. Dylan Levy Chap, Dylan Gonzalez, and then you have a chance to go back with just a tree. And this includes that with us being 4-2. We know that we have Eric Chavaria, we have David Gonzalez. These are third and fourth in the cross country.
Let's go. see.
We are doing it and we did it. You know, we
Yeah,
don't
good
finish
job.
it, but we
Yeah,
did
good
a
job.
great job. You know, we have Riga who assists us. We have Jen in our cameraman.
Best cameraman, boy.
He service our restaurant, all right? You know,
Can't bring him with your hand.
That's in Harlem, the north side of Riga, and come and witness and enjoy, not only witness, you know.
Enjoy
this great place,
Yes.
right?
For the
This
mother.
is a big one. Dangriga Cancer Walk. May 16th.
Next
May
week.
16th, next week, not true?
Saturday.
Next week, Saturday, all right? Come and support the cancer patient. Come and support those who...
For 5 o'clock.
For 5 in the morning?
Yes.
All right, go support those who have recovered from cancer, and those who haven't recovered, we wish them the best. But come out and support. When you can walk, I mean, healthy.
Healthy.
Really walk healthy. All right? So, let's do what we need to do to make this a possibility. All right? Yeah. So,
We don't reach in tongue already.
where we the? Where we the pass?
Havana.
Where we pass bus terminal, right?
Havana.
Havana. All right. So, we're not far.
We're not far.
So we're head back to the cultural shed.
Yes.
All right, we're head back to the cultural shed.
We pass.
All right,
Havana.
so we are here. We just want to ask everybody who live on the road
On
to
the
just
road.
be aware that the race is coming.
They come.
And you know, we would like to as much clear the path, especially those who are by the shed. Clear the path, make it easier and better for the cyclists. You know, so yeah, you know, this. I mean, the clearer the path, it's more easier for the cyclists. You know, we just need at least another 15 minutes of the road being clear, and then you could stop and literally witness this race.
Yes.
Witness this race, and this is a big one. We have like 60 plus cyclists registered in this race. You know? 60 plus. You know, this is big for Riga. You know, the finishing is the hardest part. Everybody could start, but who could finish? So the finishing is the hardest part. So we are the main street at Dangriga. Yeah, we are on St. Vincent Street, Dangriga. We are approaching the main bridge. After the main bridge, we're going into Commerce Street, and there where the race finishes at Nadia's Cultural Shed. All right, so come on out, folks. Come on out. You still have time. Come and witness the finishing of this race. Come and witness this race. All right. Nakele? Yeah. Come and witness this. A great race. It's a great one.
All right. Want to tell them people in the
Yeah.
box.
So,
Try to clear the word.
come
I
on
the race
and
coming
witness
in.
this race.
And this race is hard.
All right. Nice, beautiful view. View of the sea. All right.
There they come. More.
the first and second. And just like we predicted, Chavaria, Derek Chavaria came in first. Yeah, and just like we predicted, Derek Chavaria came in first, followed by Javian Gonzalez. Alright? And then for the female category, Patricia Chavaria also came in first. Alright? But folks, come on out and witness this great classic.
Baby Jam, how you feel for win this Mother Series?
Feel good, you know. The condition may hard, but honestly, you think they could help it? I don't think that's a help.
Of course.
Yeah, you know, you feel good to come like Greg and win. You know, ever since we were young, we come on this side, the races, and you know, anytime a race come up, we always come up and support, show the love, you know. Me now I have to win down here. I think last year, if I'm not mistaken, I got like second or third. But you know, this year I come up with the win, you know. Of course, feel happy if we can hold the W.
Correct.
Derek, during the announcement, I make a statement and I said, Derek have been coming to Briga by the time they probably had to back up a bicycle. And now you are here again, and now you are riding, like, if I'm not mistaken, over China. Alright? And you came for this, and this is the first time I win this race as a support here. You won before? So it's a first.
Yeah.
Congratulations, man. So, and I noticed with Patricia, she won too for the female.
Yeah.
So it's all about the
Family.
Chavaria. You have any kids? You have any mothers?
Yeah, of course.
Apart from your biological mother?
Just my biological mom, pa.
Alright,
You
you
know,
have a big home back because
yeah,
many people
of
live
course.
in a long time.
You know, my mother in London. It's been a while since she gone. You know, my sister there, my brother there at work. My pa, he's supposed to be out on the road still with the juniors. So, you know, like I said, once we there, we are going to support and you know, we always appreciate it. Yes, sir.
Love Briga. And I love to see Miss Patricia again because I never see a long time, right?
Yeah, of course.
Man, our pleasure to see you win and congratulations. And we'll do it again
And keep
another
up
time.
the good work.
That's fine.
Don't say, big up. Honor, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
So how you feel for ride for this Mother today?
Well, I feel good. We started the guys then also. I just hang out today as long as I could. Yeah, and then I ended up there by myself and Leanne come behind, but she did good too.
Okay.
Yeah, it was good.
And enjoy the race.
Yes, definitely. Always
Are you the champion?
for today.
Okay. Keep up the good work.
Alright,
And
thank
happy
you.
Mother's Day.
Thank you.
I'll pick up anybody with Patricia.
Well, all the mothers. All the mothers. Yeah.
Sponsorship.
Oh, yes, thanks. No, Emmanuel for hosting me today. My workplace, always Central Building Authority, you know, always there for me. My dad and the whole community will always help the Chavaria cycling team.
And happy Mother's Day for Diaper 91.7 and for Nadia Construction. Thanks for support me all the time. Look forward to seeing you again.
Thanks for the invite.
We're gonna have a ride because you too.
Huh?
We're gonna have a ride because you.
I don't know. All right, thank you.
Correct now, everyone done not pressure there. Ladies and gentlemen, this was his hungry too. So we gotta see you guys. Hey, yeah, excellent. As you could, this is nice. Well, most we're gonna keep with it. We're gonna give you the final words for today. You know, very, very, very good race, cameraman. We give